In an effort by Manipur government to resolve the 17-month-long conflict, high-level talks are set to take place in New Delhi tomorrow under the supervision of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. According to reliable sources from Delhi, the talks are set to include Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Thokchom Setyabrata, Agriculture Minister T.H. Vishwajit, Works Minister Govindas Konthojam, Health Minister Sapam Ranjan and MLA Thokchom Radesham, including other ruling ministers and MLAs of Meitei and Naga communities. However, sources indicated that KUKI representatives might not be attending the meeting. Although the exact venue has not been disclosed, the meeting is reportedly scheduled for 1:30 p.m. tomorrow. Many of the participants have already arrived in Delhi, with some leaving earlier yesterday. Meanwhile, ministers and MLAs is likely to hold a preparatory meeting late this evening ahead of tomorrow's formal discussions. It may be mentioned that the talks come in the wake of Chief Minister N. Birren's recent remarks during the inauguration of 3-night shelters for construction workers on October 10, where he highlighted ongoing efforts to facilitate dialogue among communities to resolve the conflict. Expressing optimism about a resolution, the Chief Minister urged the public to cooperate with the government's efforts in bringing peace to the state.